we're here for May the 4th. We're not even gonna do an introduction. We're just gonna jump into it. Let's do this. First off, we talked about this on the podcast. The inside people we had were right. They told us exactly what it would be. Now, I did get one of these.
I still think the coloring is off.
It's definitely off, but it looks way better than the photo did.
Yeah, it looks better in person.
The photo made it look like it was plastic. It's at least metal. So the coloring's a little off, but it's at least metal looking. I was worried.
And they do have a separate piece. You can
so it's like loose.
A display piece and a practical
use piece. So I got one. Nice. There's more merchandise than I thought there would be. There's quite a bit. Now, I usually buy a May the 4th shirt, but this one feels so terrible. I can't do it. They also had Wishables debut today. Now these are not part of the May the 4th stuff. These will be out, but they released today, which are cool because there's a Captain Rex one.
And Star Speeders.
And Star Speeders. Cool. Super cool. R2's the open one. Starbucks Been There series with Tatooine.
Endor.
And
there's Batu on the other side, which that's the best one by far.
I think so too.
Not just because I'm biased. I actually think it's the best.
And I think it's the best design one too. And Batu. May the 4th magic bands. And because today's May the 4th and Bad Batch released, Bad Batch magic bands. The best thing about this is that it's in the Muppet store. It's so exciting. They have a ton of stuff, by the way. You can get a May the 4th print. I don't know if you can actually buy it, but it looks really cool. I'd like one. They also had the R2-D2 Spirit jerseys, which are really cool too. A Mandalorian PVC figure like the Vader one that they released, which I'm not a huge fan of these, but they look pretty cool. They're really doing a lot with the Bad Batch. This is for Millennium Falcon, and it has his little droid pop out on one side and Hondo on the other. That's really cool. That's pretty much it. There's a ton of stuff, a ton of people. It's wild. For all of you Black Series figures collectors, they had all of the Black Series figures for Bad Batch except Wrecker, but I grabbed this one because this is the last one I needed. I needed Crosshair. Also debuted yellow and white blades for the make your own lightsaber experience. So that's new, as far as I know. I'm not adding sound. This is actually how it does. That brought me to tears. That is so awesome. That's worth the money of this thing right there. That's unbelievable. So Leia's saber is like Luke Skywalker's green one, where the design of it doesn't actually work with a lightsaber. So it does come with this attachable piece. This set is really, really great. They really, really nailed it. It's just like the other Ray 3/4, no changes to it. It looks and sounds really good. I do think the colors are a little off from what they were in the movie, but as a set, the entire thing works. I mean, the music was such a surprise to me. I mean, I'm sitting here with Holly. Holly can vouch for this. I started crying because I wasn't expecting that. You know, what she uses to bury it on Tatooine, and then having the box that plays the Force theme with the quotes, and then it being numbered. It's really, really cool as a set. So I really think they did a good job. As far as I know, they are sold out now. There was only 3,000 of these made. It's really, really cool. And this is something that I'm going to like cherish for a long, long time. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. May the Force be with you.